We spoke to the BJP's Arun Jaitley. Here's what he had to say.
So the government has managed to deliver its promise to Anna Hazare, and Anna Hazare will be calling off his past. Mr. Arun Jaitley, Leader of Opposition, Rajya Sabha is with us. How do you sum up this whole episode in Parliament?
Well, I think this could have been done earlier. But nonetheless, the fact that this has happened, an overwhelming majority of Parliament also got a loud and clear message of what a popular aspiration is. Most political parties moderated their position accordingly. And therefore, we came between at least all the major groups, whether it's the UPA, the NDA, or the left parties, to a virtual consensus position. I think today what we've seen is really a sense of a House resolution. I see emerging out of it is a consensus legislation. And I think that's more important than what's happened today.
But isn't it also true at one level that it is a sense of blackmail and the Parliament has been forced to commit it to something which was not on the Parliament's agenda?
Well, I don't think it'll be fair to use that word blackmail. There are a lot of things that in the course of our dialogue with the Team Anna, that they also saw a lot of reason. For example, they agreed that there should be exceptions made as to how the Prime Minister will be made liable under the Lokpal. Judiciary was sent away to another alternative mechanism. Then wherever there are constitutional procedures and provisions, and the law was apparently in conflict, whether it is the privileges of MPs inside the House, or it's a constitutional guarantee of government employees, or it's the federal character of the Constitution, I think these are all cases where they were also agreeable to a reasonable position. And therefore, between the political establishment and them, I think the dialogue yielded much on both sides. Both gave up some and both agreed to some.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.